Hey guys, it's me Marshall again, welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog, I will be unboxing the first ever DSLR camera that I bought. I was actually looking forward to getting the M50 because of its capability to shoot 4K. But the thing is, who would really want to watch 4K all the time, especially when you're in a country that the basic internet only starts at 2 or 3 Mbps, so good luck to 4K. And one of the major reasons why I have chosen 200D is that I like the viewfinder more on the DSLR compared to the mirrorless, because for the DSLR you can see the actual reflection of the view because of the mirror. Because it is being reflected with the mirror inside the camera, whereas for the mirrorless it is being converted electronically, if that does make sense to you guys. By the way guys, sorry for the quality of the video because I'm currently using the front camera of my Axis Max. Anyway, it's gonna get better as I switch to the rear camera when I do my unboxing. Also, the Canon EOS 200D is one of the best choices of vloggers when it comes to vlogging because of its size. It's very lightweight and it has got the fully rotational screen and it's touchscreen as well. So mga kapatids, huwag na natin patagal ito. Without any further ado, let's do the unboxing. So there you go guys, I got this from John Lewis by the way, and it cost me £519. And it's still inside the plastic bag. Let me open it first. So I'm so excited to open it. Oh, there you go. Look, let's examine the box first. So it is EOS 200D. That's what you can see on this side. So 24.2 megapixels, ISO up to 5 frames per second, dual pixel AF. It has good Wi-Fi capability, which is good, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. Alright, so let's open the box now. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Let's see. Alright. Okay. So we got the paperwork here first. Manual. Let's put this inside for now. That is the cable for the charger. Where's the little thing? Come on. Alright. Okay, so it is the charger. And this little guy right here is the battery. And oh, got a strap. And I think this one is the lens. Just open it. Okay. Let me put this in the side. And here you go guys. This is my camera. It is wrapped pretty nicely. Wow. It's really nice. So that's what you can see. It is very small, very lightweight. So as you can see, it's fully rotating. There. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video guys. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe please.